Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an issue with the MicrosoftEdgeCP.exe is experiencing high memory or CPU usage on your Windows computer. So it's stand for content process. That's what the two letters stand for. In the process name, let's fix it guys. First open up Edge, click on this three dot icon over here and select settings. In search settings, you just need to search for startup startup space boost comes up startup boost get to browsing quickly. When this is on, it's help Microsoft Edge open faster when you start your device. Toggle this to off position. After doing this, close it off here and now go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully that can able to resolve a problem guys. One further thing we can attempt would be just to reset Microsoft Edge back to default guys. In order to do that, you just need to go to search menu and type installed apps, click on open it. In search apps, you just need to search for Edge. Comes up Microsoft Edge, click on this three dot icon and select modify. Select yes. Now repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't it be affected guys. Select repair. Wait for it. Hopefully at this point your problem will be resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.